The diagrid node has a lot happening inside it. We will focus on the main code. Let's start by inserting the terminate after creating the two sets of diagonal lines. We can see the diagrid connecting position on the arcs and stringers. If we insert the terminate after the first diagonal, then we will only see one set of diagonal lines. Let's play around with the parameters for the diagonal function. This is one of the local user-defined function. It creates diagonals using the three steps: add padding, zip, and cull. If we set the reverse parameter for both diagonals to true, then they go in the same direction. If one is true and the other is false, then they go in opposite directions. The last parameter controls the step size between the lines. If we set it to 1, it generates more lines. If say set is to 3 or 4, it generates fewer lines, more spaced out. The fourth parameter is the offset. It defines where the first diagonals are generated. If we increase it, the diagonals start further down the structure. If we set the offset for both diagonals to 0, we will see that the places where they cross gets shifted. Next we will look at the process of offsetting the diagonal lines. We will need to zoom in on the lines to see the offset. We will move the terminate back up and visualize the vectors used for offsetting. We will insert a visualize function. Now we can see the direction for the normal vectors. Changing the vector length will shift the diagrids in the direction of the vector. The last part generates the diagrid structure as thin beams with a square section. An inline function is used to combine the two lists of diagonals into a single list. We insert the terminate before generating the new collection. In the attribute table, we can see only the two collections that were received from the skeleton node. If we move terminate down, we will see a new collection appear, called diagrid.